Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just felt like doing a video. Anyway, the title of this video is The Dishwasher. The mess that they make, that they turn on to you, blaming you, insulting you, calling you every name in the book, commenting about how you look and how you dress. You see, they want you to dress up in your own home because of the hidden cameras. They have to hide the deception of the theft. The counterfeit stole the money, and now they're paying dearly for stealing. They have no remorse, none whatsoever. They pretend that they're not watching you, but you see them. It's obvious. The dishwasher. Are they cleaning up their crimes? As they point their finger at the righteous brethren. They hate that you've changed so much. They hate it. They want you in the pit that they dug for you. But instead, they will fall into the pit. So when these people come after you, whatever they plan for you, it's karmic. It will happen to them. They don't believe it because they've been doing it for so long to so many people. They feel invincible and they hide behind their wealth. They have so many secrets. But the Lord doesn't tell us all of them to protect us. We have constant attacks on a daily basis. But that's when you know that you might be getting closer to your breakthrough. Now the smear campaign and the slander and the gossip, the Lord will show that to them. And maybe those hidden cameras that I hear in my house, maybe those very hidden cameras that they have hidden will go back onto them. The witchcraft attacks, after researching so much, you realize what's happening now. You didn't know what it was before, but now you know. Ooh. They call me a witch, but I'm not a witch. I'm a child of God. And I'm very happy to say that, and I'm not embarrassed whatsoever. See, the very things that they call you, or they call me, is the very things that they are. They scan computers because they want to try to use it in a court of law, but they're scanning your computer. So how could they possibly use it in a court of law when your computer should be private, right? They just scan my computer. They go on your computer like they own it, but they never pay for the bill. Every single thing that you say, they can hear. And they record it. These are the very same people that will run and tell lies every day on your name. But the Lord is blessing you so much. And even though we have all these attacks every single day, in the end, it will be all worth it. You lost everything for the Lord, but it's in the Bible. I can't remember where in the Bible. But you're going to have many opportunities in the coming months. And your life will change for the better. And you will have a story to tell. How God pulled you out of the pit. The dark, dreary pit. And although we will always have problems, but the Lord will always be with us, working through us, with us, and beside us. It's scanning again. I just find it atrocious that people have the audacity to call a chosen vessel evil when behind the scenes they're working overtime. I think they have something planted in my smoke alarm. Because it doesn't go off, it doesn't beep, it beeps really randomly. It's so strange. I hear it up there and then I hear it down below. But the tables are turning, and I heard that from the Lord about 3 or 4 years ago. And the tables are turning, and vindication is coming. And whatever the Lord puts into us as a vessel, we can help other people. Yeah. So anyway, this is way too long. I gotta get off. God bless you.